Okay, this is our Earth and Space Lesson 11 video.
Okay, so demonstrate and explain how stars appear to travel through the nighttime sky in a predictable daily pattern. What does this have to do with the rotation of the Earth?
Okay, so this is our Earth, and that is here's our sun. Yeah. So our sun and our Earth. This is the North Pole right here. Yeah. So
yes, absolutely. You should read it twice.
the North Pole.
And
then this is the North Star. It's only slightly off of the thing. So, and then there's some other stars around it.
Yeah, like this is another star that's around it. And the stars...
I don't tell
this one, since the Earth is spinning and the stars don't actually move, it just seems to us, it seems like they stay in the same place because, well, they're all so like, it takes a long time for a star to move even a little bit, but since the Earth is spinning, it makes us feel like this star, like pretend that it makes us feel like this star is just moving like this. And then this star, since the Earth is spinning, this one's actually staying in place, but it just seems to us down here on Earth that if you just put the star down, the other star. Oh wait, no, you can actually. So this would be the North Star, and if the North Star stays in place, but if my finger is me right now, then I just think that the North Star
is basically
like
it's moving in a circle or moving at all.
It seems to be moving, but only to us down here, even though it really just looks the same because it's really just going in a tiny little circle.
Yeah,
even though it's really not moving at all.
Okay,
so that's kind of what it does, has to do with the rotation of the Earth.
Okay, so explain why stars are visible at night, but not during the daytime. Okay, so this is the sun, and this is like a star. So this is a star. So the sun, it's so bright, and it's so bright that you can't see the Earth. Yeah, so you can't see the star because the sun is so bright. So the stars are there, but you can't see them because the sun is bright.
And also because of Earth's atmosphere, it kind of makes it blurry too. But stars are always there, just sometimes you can't see them. And with the sun, it's like putting off way too much light, even though there are a lot of stars that are even brighter. It's just that the sun is like one of our closest stars.
Yeah. So, explain why the sun, moon, and many nighttime stars appear to rise and sunset, while some nighttime stars appear to travel in circles. So,
this is the Earth. This is the sun over here.
The nighttime stars, some nighttime stars appear to rise and set because when you're on Earth, the sun appears to rise and set from the east and west. And so the stars, it's sort of like the same exact thing with the stars for some stars. And yeah, for that. Okay, so while some nighttime stars appear to travel in circles because of the North Star. It's basically straight up. It's basically straight up from Earth, from the North Pole, and so stars appear to travel in circles around the North Star, sort of.
Yeah. So to us, it appears that they're moving in circles, but since and they're so close to the North Star. Let's say this one is the North Star, and then this one is Earth. And so, if Earth is down here and the Earth is down here, then if this is a star,
it will go around it.
Some stars are closer to the North Star, so they have less. All the stars to us seem to be moving at the same pace, but they're just going around in a circle, and they're trying to get all the way around in a circle. But stars that are all the way out here have to go a lot farther, and so they just seem like they're going in an arc and not in a full circle. And
So,
since rising and setting is pretty much it.
Okay, so describe and explain any other concept that you learned during today's lesson. Okay, so a concept that we learned is that so pretend this is the sun and this is the sun. This is the earth and this is This is a star. So if you had a camera and you put it out for 6 or 12 hours for the nighttime, then you would see you would see the stars track around the earth. So that's all we learned.
Yeah.